This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Jabi Trefny. This 1880 historic craftsman home has been lovingly restored while preserving timeless character. The exterior showcases a new roof, updated electrical, and plumbing with attention to the details. The home boasts a classic designed floor plan west/large living room adorned gas fireplace and original woodwork staircase. Gracious dining room and updated kitchen. 2 full baths, 1 on the main floor and 3 nice-sized bedrooms. Mud room off the back of the kitchen extends to a truly remarkable outdoor living space. You will not want to leave. Convenient gate to new concrete driveway. Dry cellar for added storage. With all these updates, this home is ready for you to move in and fully enjoy a vibrant Franklin downtown lifestyle. For more information, review the details below or contact Jabi Trefny at 317-691-1367.